May we call in our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Alma Gan Abakain for her message. Ma'am.
Troop Commander, please give our troop tikas pahinga.
Tikas! Pinuno! Tikas!
To the command group, the regional staff, the non-commissioned officers, our non-uniformed personnel, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Happy February. We all know that ahead of us, there will be a lot of activities to be undertaken. But before discussing that, let me remind you of some points to remember. Number one, the wearing of uniform. I was cautioned 2 weeks ago by the national headquarters because of wearing our daily uniform, which we used to wear for the longest time, even last year. But napansin lang nila last 2 weeks ago. Ayun yung Wednesday that we wore the camouflage tangerine uniform while there was a Zoom meeting conducted by the national headquarters, so that I was reminded to follow the circular that prescribed the proper uniform of the day, so that in this morning message, I would like to remind you officially that we'll have to follow that memorandum circular. So wala nang camouflage sa Wednesday. Monday and Wednesday is boss jacket for the officers, then type B for the NCO. Then Tuesday and Thursday is type C. Tama ba yun? Monday and Friday is the boss jacket, type A for officers, then type B for NCO, then Tuesday and Wednesday type C, then ano ang Thursday day? Athletic. But ang athletic meron siyang kulatelyano, athletic will be only worn during athletic hours. Parang ano ba yun? Type C ba ang Thursday o type B? Type C? Type C TTH. So, in the morning, it will be type C. Then, pag athletic time, sa hapon, yun lang mag-athletic uniform. At ang shorts and ano pa yun, jogging pants ay gagamitin kung halimbawa, meron, depending on the occasion, merong fun run, so it would be jogging pants yata. Unless kung meron tayong mga clean up operation, yun yung medyo kailangan natin ng maigsi para hindi madumihan kaagad yung ating uniform. So that is my first reminder. And second, I would like to remind all staff in the office to please be guided of doing the CSW. CSW is the proper action of all offices in the regional office in order for all actions to be treated properly. Halimbawa, may mag-request ng training. So ang training ay darating sa admin. So the admin office will make a CSW to, if training lang, wala masyadong budget kailangan, so to the regional director, then through CDS, RCS, then ARDA, then regional director approve, disapprove. So mag-countersign ang RCS at ARDA, then signed by division chief. So kung ito ay logistical request, so the all communication will go down first to the division. Then the division will make, sino mang in charge doon na personnel will make a CSW format communication. So again, address to RD through ARDA or ARDO kung kinakailangang ma-inform si ARDO, then RCS, always nandoon si RCS. Then kung kailangan budget, dadaan kay Chief Controller. Then kung dadaan kay admin for designating later on of proper personnel, or mga counterpart issuances of personnel order, so dadaan kay Chief Admin. Then signed by Division Chief. Ang Division Chief ang magsasign, kayo lang mag-prepare. No, so I would like to remind you na ito yung minimum requirements. It had been practiced for so long a time in the national headquarters. Yun nga lang, nung dumating ako sa Region 10, hindi naging practice kasi. So hindi na-develop yung inyong writing capability, no? Yung writing ninyo, skills. Meron tayong memorandum circular on that. Meron tayong so retrieve that memorandum circular, nandoon yung how to reply properly when it is a private or civilian communication or uniform communication, inter-office, or if it will be forwarded in the higher office or to the lower office. So nandoon yung format. Lahat naman ito hindi tayo nakaisip. Meron na tayong memorandum circular on that. And thirdly, we will have a lot of activities this coming March. So we'll have Fire Prevention Month, and we'll have Gender and Development Month. So line up of activities, I will be expecting that today. Magkaroon tayo ng staff meeting kung ano yung ating line up of activities, as well as the invited mga guests and the preparation that will be undertaken. So, wait for the incoming announcement of these activities. And what is very visible today is the atmosphere of Valentine's Day. So, I hope you have already planned for your Valentine's. Maybe I will announce in advance. Kailan ba ito? Friday? Friday. Maybe we'll have siguro a half day in observance of celebration of Valentine's Day. So, bahala na si admin or si God kung ano ang preparation meron today, no? So, in closing, I would like to remind you that please let us be guided, no, with the principles of what is expected from our office to function, no? Hindi ko naman sinasabi na we are perfect all the time, but achieve to be fair, just, equitable, and please don't forget, achieve to be excellent and to render excellent public service. So yun lang ang aking ma-remind. We may come and go in this organization, but what you will do is a gift to yourself, not for somebody else. You will not function in appreciation of others, or you will not function so that you will be regarded like this and like that. You will function as if that is your bread and butter, and that is who you are. No, so that is my reminder for this morning, and let us enjoy the week ahead. Happy Monday and happy Valentine's to all of you. Thank you and good morning.
Pinuno, manta!
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your words of wisdom. And now let us sing with honor and pride the BFP hymn.
Kami laging handa, kapuya ay labanan.
That concludes our traditional Monday flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, Fire Officer 2 Herwell Rabe. Thank you and let us have a safe and productive week ahead.